Welcome to the largest reptilian habitat ever constructed, a marvel of automation and precision engineering.
Bay 7, vitals are stable. Proceed with the gastric scan.
Copy that. Extending probe.
All sectors report green. Habitat data synchronized.
Acknowledged. Initiating automated certification stamp sequence on all pending documents.
Drone 1 reporting clear visual on target Alpha.
Confirmed. Shifting thermal scan to grid 4.
We have movement near the east barrier. Sending coordinates now.
Drone feed confirms movement in Zone 3.
Acknowledged. Adjusting thermal scan parameters now.
This massive transition hall processes hundreds of alligator modules daily, utilizing synchronized precision robotics and advanced climate control.
We have a prior null approaching lane 12.
All decks confirm visualization. Proceeding with scan.
The scanners classified this one as texture class Gamma.
Age approximation looks slightly irregular. Double check the hydration levels.
Here in the main hall, overhead robotics handle the entire transfer process, ensuring no human contact with the animals.
In this mechanical city, synchronization is key to processing the saltwater crocodile hides with unparalleled precision. Dozens of automated scraping lines operate side-side, utilizing dual-blade systems and rotating.
Once fleshed, the skins proceed along the massive ceiling-mounted monorail system, showcasing the immense scale.
This facility processes thousands of skins daily, utilizing advanced robotics to ensure quality before the immersion tanks.
A marvel of modern engineering, these massive scrubbing systems use synchronized rollers and...
The pressure on lane 4 is slightly elevated.
It's acceptable. The stabilizers are compensating well.
The skins travel down the line, undergoing intense purification as sensors detect surface density, ensuring a flawless product.
This towering chemical cascade chamber utilizes a specialized deherring solution, synchronized perfect. Turbine vacuums extract the loosened hair instantly, a process monitored in real time to ensure peak extraction efficiency across the entire grid.
Welcome to the heart of our operations, where cutting-edge technology meets industrial scale.
Check the viscosity levels on VAT3.
Parameters confirmed, proceeding with the blue mixture.
The immersion process requires absolute precision. Robotic assistance ensures consistency across every hide.
The saturation maps allow for real-time adjustment, ensuring perfect pigment density across the bioscaffold.
Make sure the clamps are secure on the next batch.
We need 3 more reds for this row.
In this vast hall, tradition and technology work in perfect synchronization to bring the leather to its ultimate sheen.
Check the pressure on valve 3.
It seems stable now, and let's keep monitoring the density.
I'm marking this section here for further refinement.
All right, I see it. The rest of the scale pattern looks precise.
Guide the hook to the burgundy stack. We need 10 more for this batch.
Confirmed. Moving the premium hides now.
We have to ensure the premium sections are clearly marked before the hooks secure them.
Right, the cutters rely on our precise alignment for the transfer.
Pon los paneles grandes aquí. Y los gussets van con el lote marrón.
From skilled hands to advanced robotics, the assembly line ensures perfection before the final magnetic seal.